Welcome. Today we are looking at C.R.E. paper 2, revision 34. Thank you for subscribing. Questions 1a. Outline Jeremiah's prophecies about the Messiah. B. What was Angel Gabriel's message about John to Zechariah during the Annunciation? C. State 6 lessons Christians learn from the lives of Zechariah and Elizabeth. 2a. Describe the healing of the Kcse demoniac in Luke chapter 8. B. State 6 characteristics of true discipleship from the Sermon on the Plain. C. Identify ways through which Christians can show concern for the sick. Question 3a. Outline the message delivered by Jesus during the Last Supper. B. Give 6 reasons why Judas Iscariot betrayed Jesus. C. Why should Christians take part in Lord's Supper? Question 4a. How are the gifts of the Holy Spirit misused in the church today? B. Identify 4 teachings of St. Paul on the similarities between the church and husband and wife relationship. C. Outline 6 activities that the church engages in to demonstrate their love for others in the society today. Question 5a. Outline the Christian teaching on marriage. B. Identify 6 ways in which responsible parenthood is demonstrated by Christians today. C. Give 6 ways in which the church is helping solve the problem of domestic violence in Kenya today. Question 6a. Identify 7 reasons why people work. B. Give 7 factors that a Christian employer should consider to determine a just wage. C. Write down consequences of denying employees rests. Answers. Question 1a. Outline Jeremiah's prophecies about the Messiah as found in Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 5 to 4. Outline Jeremiah's prophecies about the Messiah as found in Jeremiah chapter 23 from verse 5 to 6. He would come from the lineage of David. He would be righteous. He would reign as a king. He would rule wisely. He would execute justice. He would execute righteousness in the land. He would provide security. He would provide safety in Israel. He would be called the Lord our righteousness. B. What was Angel Gabriel's message about John to Zechariah during the Annunciation in Luke chapter 1 from verse 13 to 17? His name would be John. He would bring joy to his parents. Many will rejoice at his birth. He will be great before God. He was to drink no wine. Basically, he would be a Nazarite. He was to be filled with the Holy Spirit from his mother's womb. He would turn many of the sons of Israel to God. He would have the spirit of Elijah. He would turn the hearts of the fathers to the children. He was to make ready for the Lord. That is, he would prepare people for the Lord. C. State 6 lessons Christians learn from the lives of Zechariah and Elizabeth. Christians should be righteous. Christians should be holy. They should be patient. They should obey God's commands. They should be prayerful. They should have faith in God. They should rejoice at blessings of others. They should depend on God. They should serve God. Question 2a. Describe the healing of the Kcse demoniac as found in Luke chapter 8 from verse 26 to 39. Jesus entered a Gentile town of Kcse. Jesus met a man who was demon-possessed and lived among the tombs. The man fell down and told Jesus not to torment him. This is because Jesus had commanded the unclean spirits out of the man. Jesus asked the man his name. The man said his name is Legion because he had many demons. The demons begged Jesus not to let them go apiece but into the swine nearby. Jesus commanded the demons to go into the herd of pigs feeding on the nearby hillside. The swines are rushed down into the lake and drowned. The herdsmen then fled and told people what had happened. The people came and found the man sitting at the feet of Jesus. The people asked Jesus to leave their country. The man wanted to follow Jesus, but Jesus told him to go and tell others what had happened to him. Question 2b. State 6 characteristics of true discipleship from the Sermon on the Plain. Persevere in the face of persecution. Should show love to enemies. Should be obedient to Jesus' teachings. Should bear good fruit. Should be generous. That is, should share with the needy. Should not judge others. Should do self-criticism. They should show compassion to others, have unwavering faith, should forgive others. That is, they should not revenge. C. Identify ways through which Christians can show concern to the sick. Praying for the sick, visiting them, offering guidance and counseling to the sick and their families, building hospitals, offering medical services to the sick, helping them pay medical bills, condemning evils that cause diseases like irresponsible sexual behaviors. Question 3a. Outline the message delivered by Jesus during the Last Supper. He expressed his desire to have a meal with his disciples before Passion. He was not to eat the meal again until the kingdom comes. He asked the disciples to continue celebrating the meal. His blood was poured out to seal the covenant. One of the disciples was going to betray him. The disciples should humble themselves if they have to be great. The disciples were assured of a place in heaven for having stood by him. Simon Peter will fall into temptation. Peter was to take care of other disciples. The time had come for the fulfillment of all that was written about him. B. Give 6 reasons why Judas Iscariot betrayed Jesus. He could have been an informer of Jewish leaders. He may have been overcome by the power of evil. He had little faith in Jesus. He had